How to check your device security status on your Android phone. Here's how. Open the Settings app. Tap Security Status. Here you'll find several options that help you keep your phone secure. The Find Device option lets you locate, lock, or erase your phone remotely if it's ever lost or stolen. The Security Update section shows the date of your latest Android security patch, so you can check whether your phone is up to date. The Google Play Protect option scans the apps installed on your phone and helps detect harmful or unsafe apps to keep your device protected. The Google Play System Update section lets you check for the latest Google security and system updates, helping your phone stay secure with the newest protections. That's it. You've successfully checked your device security status on your Android phone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more quick and easy Android tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.